Hello mates, I am Kiran Jadhav here. Today's session I will demonstrate the control statement in Java. Then we have control statement available here: if else, nested if else, switch case, break statement and continue statement. See, in if we are just going to handle one condition. In if else, if condition is not satisfied, it will go to execute else block. And if you have more than two conditions, then we'll go ahead with the nested if else. And if there is more than 10 conditions, right, and if you want to handle the multiple choice, then you can simply go ahead with the switch case statement. Then see on screen, we'll start with the practical example here. Then simply come up with the Eclipse, goes to file, new, dynamic web project, and the application I am giving here control statement concept. See, our application is created successfully. Then we'll come up with the src main Java, right click on that, new package, and the package name I am giving here com.fullstack.core. Com it means OS level core level package, full stack it means our company name, core it means we are learning the core Java, and package all letters we are giving here lowercase. Now simply click on finish. See, our package also created successfully. Package it means within single package we are able to create group of classes there. Then simply right click on package, new Java class, and I am giving the Java class name as if example. See, here our class is created successfully. Inside that I am just going to write here main method, and I am adding here integer age equal to 21, and here is our condition: if age is greater than or equal to 18, then we are going to say eligible for vote. This is our printing statement, eligible for vote. Now I am using Control A, Control I, Control Shift F. It will format the code base, and then simply use run as Java application. Then here we are expecting eligible for vote. See on screen. But if I am passing here 16, then definitely this condition is not satisfied, right? Then there is no output. See on screen, no output. But if I am passing here 22, then definitely it will print the output. Why? Because condition is satisfied. For that we'll start with the debug mode. Simply add the breakpoint at line number 6. See, here our breakpoint is enabled. How to add breakpoint? Just goes to line number 6, double click on that, it will add the breakpoint. Do debug as Java application. See, it will start with the debug mode. Then I am just pressing function F6, it will go to next line, and here condition is satisfied. You can simply use Control Shift I. This is true. True it means condition satisfied. It will execute the if block, and here we just given here printing statement as like eligible for vote. Function F6. See, it will print the output eligible for vote. Then if it's not eligible, then definitely we need to handle here else block. For that perspective, I am just going to create one more application. Simply right click on our base package, new Java class, and the Java class name I am giving here if else example. Simply create here main method, and we are just going to add the code base here. Then if condition is not satisfied, we are going to handle here else block, and else block I am just going to print not eligible for vote, not eligible for vote. See, now this is condition satisfied, it will print eligible for vote. See on screen, run as Java application. But if I am passing here 16, then definitely it will go to which block? Else block. Simply do run as Java application. See, it will print not eligible for vote. How? Simply add the breakpoint at line number 6, and simply do debug as Java application. Function F6 for next line. See, now the condition is not satisfied. Control Shift I, false. If it false, it means it will go to which block? Else block directly. Function F6. See on screen, it will print not eligible for vote. Function F6. Then if you want to take input from end user, then you can simply use the scanner concept. We are just going to use scanner. Scanner is a Java class coming from java.util package, and class first letter must be capital. CC it means class coming from util package, and scanner class it will help us to take input from end user. Then I am creating the object here, scanner equal to new scanner, and here I'm just passing system.in ending with semicolon. Then we're asking for end user, please enter age, please enter age, and instead of giving the hardcode value as 16, you can simply use scanner.next int. Then see, here we are using scanner. Scanner is a Java class coming from java.util package, and class first letter must be capital here. And whenever new keyword comes, you can simply say this is the object. Object always start with the lowercase. Now we are using here scanner class. It will help us to take input from end user. Then simply do right click, run a Java application. See, please enter age. I am just passing here 15. It will give us not eligible for vote. Again I am trying run a Java application. Here I am passing 21. This is eligible for vote. If you want to give the age as 18, then also eligible for vote, because our condition is satisfied. That's why printing the eligible for vote. And at line number 8, there is available yellow mark. It's showing resource leakage. Scanner is never closed. Then such a case, you can simply use here scanner.close. See, now there is not available resource leakage because we close the scanner class as well here, right? Object as well. Then simply use run a Java application. I am passing 22. It will give us the output. But if you don't want to use scanner.close, then we have one more concept available. This is the feature comes in Java 7, like try with resources. You can simply mouse over there and simply trace around with the try with resources. It will help us to avoid resource leakage and close the object automatically. See, here we use try with resources. Now again run a Java application, like please enter age. I am passing 22. It will print eligible for vote. Again, if you want to run a Java application, now I am passing 16. It will give us not eligible for vote. Then again, now coming to next is we'll come up with the, if you want to use instead of this if else, you have one more option available there, ternary operator. For that perspective, I am just doing here Control Z and will comment out this much code, whatever code we have given here, right? For if else, just use Control Shift /. This is multi-liner comment. If you want single line comment, you can use double /. Now we are just using here ternary operator. Ternary, it means you can simply use the system.out.println, and here you can add the condition age is greater than or equal to 18, and then we are using here question mark. This will be our positive impression and this will be our negative impression. Here you can simply say like eligible for vote, and this is not eligible for vote, not eligible for vote. See, now I am just trying run a Java application. Here I am passing suppose 24. It will give us eligible for vote. Now run a Java application. I am passing here 17. It will give us not eligible for vote. I hope like you got the concept of ternary operator as well. Then this program for if else perspective, that's why again I will remove the comment here. Yeah, do Control A, Control I, Control Shift F. It will format the code base. Such a way we done with the if and if else. Now we'll come up with the nested if else. For nested if else perspective, I am simply going ahead with the package and creating the new Java class, and the Java class name I am giving here nested if else example. See, simply creating here main method, and now I am just adding here three number, integer n1 equal to 20, n2 equal to 10, and n3 equal to, we are just going to add as 100. Then here we are adding the condition if, you can simply say n1 is greater than n2, and operator we are using n1 is greater than n3. Then simply print the sysO and say greater number. Which is the greater number here? n1 as a greater number. Then nested if else, it means we have more than two conditions available. That's why again I am using else if, and here I am passing n2 is greater than n1. Again and operator, n2 is greater than n3. Then you can simply print here the greater number is n2, greater number as n2. Else you can simply say which is the greater number? The greater number is n3. See, Here I am passing n3 is a created number. Then Control A, Control I, Control Shift F. It will format the code base. Simply to run a Java application, see on screen. Now it's printing greater number as 100. But if I am giving here greater number as 150, right? N2 as 150. Then definitely we are expecting greater number as 150. Then if you want to debug this program, you can simply add the breakpoint at line number 6 and start with the debug as Java application. I am simply using here function F6 for next line. See, is this condition satisfied? N1 is 20, N2 is 150, right? And again, here we are passing N1 is 20 and what is the value of N3? 100. Then you can simply use Control Shift I. This is false here, right? Then definitely it will never come up with this if. It will goes to else if, function F6. See, I am just pressing function F6 for next line. Now simply check here. See, now we have available N2 as 150. N1 is 20. This is satisfied here, right? Again, N2 is 150 and N3 is 100. This is also satisfied. It means this is true. Control Shift I. And it means both sides must be true actually, right? Yeah. Then definitely it will print greater number and the greater number is N2. Then whatever value of N2, it will give us the output there. N2 is 150. Simply press function F6, see. It will print greater number as 150. Yeah. Then if you want to use scanner class here, then you can simply go ahead with the scanner class as well. Like simply use scanner equal to new scanner. Simply pass your system.in and here you can simply ask for end user, please enter 3 number to check which is the greater number there. Then instead of passing the hardcode value here, you can simply say scanner.nextInt and instead of passing again this hardcode value, simply scanner.nextInt. Here also scanner.nextInt. Do Control A, Control I, Control Shift F. It will format the code base. Again I am trying run a Java application. Here I am passing like 1000. The next number I am passing here 50 and the next number I am passing here 500. Which is the greater number? 1000. See, here is the output. I hope you got the clarity of nested if else as well. Now we will come up with the switch case. Switch case mostly we are going to use for multiple choice, and if you have more than 10 plus conditions, then I will recommend here you can simply go ahead with the switch case. Then switch case perspective, I am creating here new Java class. Simply right click on package, new Java class. The Java class name I am giving here switch case example. See, our application is created successfully. I am using here main method, and in this session I am using very basic example like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Those choices we are going to pass here. Then here you can simply say integer choice equal to we are giving like 3. Then integer n1 equal to we are giving 20 and n2 equal to we are giving here 10. Then here we are adding switch case with statement. Key as a choice. The value I am giving here 1. Then we have available 4 cases here. That's why I will just do the copy paste. Yeah. Then this will be case 1. This will be case number 2. This will be case number 3. Case number we have 4. And the default we are giving here invalid choice. You can simply say this will be invalid choice. Yes. Case 1 will consider here addition of 2 number. Case 2 this will be subtraction, and the case 3 will say this will be multiplication, and the case 4 definitely we are expecting this will be division. You can use Control A, Control I, Control Shift F. It will format the code base. Then see, the case number 1 we'll just try to see so, and here we are saying /n. This will be addition result, and here I am passing expression as n1 plus n2. Then we'll do for subtraction as well. You can simply change here. This will be subtraction result, and the logic is n1 minus n2. Then this will be third number as multiplication. Just change the logic as multiply. And the fourth one is this will be our division result, and here we are using division. Now simply do run as Java application, and it will execute the case number 3, multiplication result as 200. If you want to debug it, simply add the breakpoint at inside main method first line. Simply do debug as Java application. See on screen. Just press function F6 for next line. What is the choice? We have given 3. Then it will directly jump to case number 3. It means line number 22. Function F6. See on screen. Right? And here whatever n1 we are passing 20, n2 is 10. Then definitely 20 into 10 it will be 200. Control Shift I. See, here is the output. Then it will print the same result. Function F6. And if you are not using break, it will continue with the case number 4 as well. But we are using break, it means break the execution. Then I am pressing function F6. See, it will print here, like already printed the 200 as a multiplication result. But again, if you want to use here scanner class, then you can simply go ahead with such a way. Scanner equal to new scanner. We are passing here, this will be system.in. Scanner is a class. This class coming from java.util package. It will help us to take input from end user. We are just going to say /n, please enter your choice. And here you can say /n. The first one it will be addition. /n. The second one it will be subtraction. Again /n. This will be, you can say this is multiplication. Again /n. This will be fourth number. You can simply say division. And instead of passing the hardcode value, you can simply use scanner dot next int. It means whatever end user giving the value, we are going to read it from scanner. Scanner is a Java class. It will help us to take input from end user. And scanner class comes in Java 1.5 version, since 1.5. Now again coming back to here, I'm just trying to use run as Java application. We'll just pass here first choice as addition. 20 plus 10 will be 30. See, here is the output. Again, if you want simply to run a Java application, I want to do division, just pass 4, 20 by 10, it will be 2. Yeah, such a way like we done with the switch case example here. But I will recommend, once you are handy with the like basic concept, then the next like assessment perspective, you can simply add like choices. Like case 1 you can simply say deposit money, case 2 you can simply say like withdraw money, case 3 you can consider like transfer money, case 4 you can consider like change contact number, case 5 you can consider like change address. Like such a banking example you can consider here. Then upcoming sessions I will take like such advanced level session also. And the choice, you can pass here integer or otherwise string value. If you are passing here pointing value, it never goes to work. It just supports to our integer and string type of value here. Like switch, whatever choice you are going to pass here, right? You can consider it will be int and string. Upcoming sessions I will take care of string example also as a choice. I hope like you got the like clear idea about switch case also. If you have more than 10 conditions, then instead of writing the if else, then you can simply consider as a switch case there for multiple choice. Now coming to next we have available break and continue. Break it means break the execution, and continue it means skip the particular condition and jump to next one. Then here I am creating the one more example for break concept. New Java class break concept. See, here you can say this will be main method. I just want to print here 1 to 10 number, that's why I am using for loop. Integer I equal to 1 as initialization, I is less than or equal to 10, then I plus plus. Here I am using CSO, it will print 1 to 10 number. See on screen. Run as Java application, it will print 1 to 10 number. See, 1 to 10. But now I want to add one condition here, that's why I am using if and passing here I equal to 5. And then here I am using break the execution, right? And after that I am printing here I. See, then here what happen, it will print 1 2 3 4, then fifth iteration, right? It consider as a break, it means break the execution of loop. Then definitely it will print only 1 2 3 4 and break happens there, it will like break the execution. It never goes to print the upcoming digits. See on screen. Run as Java application, it just printed 1 2 3 4. If you want to debug it, simply at the breakpoint do debug as Java application. Then here function F6 for next line. See, I is 1, this is not satisfied, it will goes to printing statement, it will print. See, I is 2, not satisfied. How I am saying not satisfied? Because here is false. Control Shift I you can do false, right? Then F6 for next line, not satisfied. Here I is 3, not satisfied. I is 4, not satisfied. It will goes to printing statement. Now I is 5, this is satisfied. Control Shift I, satisfied, it means true. And once it true, it will come up with the break inside if condition, right? Yes, function F6. And once it break happens, then definitely it will never goes to printing statement, right? It goes to line number 12, and yes, it just printed 1, 2, 3, 4. Now coming to next is continue example. New Java class continue statement example we are going to create here. Continue example. See, here is main method. Same code base I am just using here actually. Yeah, it will save our time also. See, here I am just going to use continue. Now what will be the output? It will print 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 it will be skip because we are using here continue. On particular condition it will goes to continue, it means keep this condition and jump to next. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 it will be skipping, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See one screen. Run as Java application. See, here 5 is skip there, right? Jump to next, it means 6. If you want to debug it, simply come up with the line number 6. Do debug as Java application. See, function F6 for next line. What is the I value? 1, not satisfied. It will goes to printing statement. Same, 2 not satisfied, 3 not satisfied, 4 not satisfied. It will goes to printing statement. Now 5. See, this is true. Control Shift I. It means satisfied. It will come inside continue. Function F6. And once it come here, it directly jump to next. It means it not goes to printing statement. It directly again jumps to next. It means 6. See, I is 6, right? And function F6 it will goes to printing statement. See, 6 also printed. It means here they skip the 5. Yeah, function F6. See, now I want to remove the debug mode and just I am pressing function F8 for execution. See, what will be the output there? If you are coming back to here, coming to console, right? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 skip. Why? Because we are using there continue. And then jump to next, it means 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I hope you got like high level clarity whatever we seen here. But some freshers, they are facing some difficulties initially, like they are not able to find the console here, right? Then simply goes to window, show view, there is available console. Sometimes they are not able to see the project explorer, where is the project? Simply goes to window, show view, project explorer. You will be able to see here those. Okay, yeah. Then in this session I hope that will be fine. Like we have seen if else, nested if else, switch case, break statement and continue statement. Then upcoming sessions we'll see deep dive into our core Java and advanced Java. Then thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share, subscribe the channel to get more updates. And if you are facing any difficulties in any like full stack development, then feel free to add your comment in our YouTube channel comment box, and I will be available here to help you for that. And I always welcome from my side actually. Yeah. Then thanks for watching this video and see you in next video.